Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. This is Moses Mapida. But ke angikho lana ukuzokhuluma ngeMoses Mapida or iChips or iPirates. Lana ngizokhuluma ngestory not a lot of people know about. Lana ngizokhuluma ngehero who never got his flowers. Lana ngizokhuluma ngelegend elenza a big impact like South Africa. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi umuntu omnyama, he never got recognized. Asiqale. In the early 2000s, South Africa was preparing for something big. La South Africa kwakuzoza i-2010 FIFA World Cup. Kodwa manje, since all eyes were on us as South Africa, inkinga yethu iyodwa, i-infrastructure, izakhiwo zala South Africa were not good enough to handle ama-international tourists. And so the South African government yakhipha ithenda yathi sicela as iKZN nakhe istadium representa iKZN and possibly the whole of South Africa. And so bahlangana belungu bazama bengama architects befundile bazama to create that stadium bahluleka. And so they decided to no yazini asi-expand lento, let's create a competition under i-program ebizwa nge-Ibhola Lethu Consortium. They created that program, bacela abantu ukuthi beze nama-ideas abo for a new stadium. And out of that competition, kwaphuma a young genius, someone who outshined all of them kwi-province yase-KZN, and it was uSibusiso Nene. uSibusiso Nene created a stadium out of iwaya, ucingo. He created the foundation for what we know as Moses Mapida Stadium. He won that competition for i-design yakhe. But unfortunately, uSibusiso was umuntu omnyama, and so iSitha decided ukuthi no, lo, we will cheat him, lo, sizomroba, and he will not get the recognition he deserves for le design yakhe siyayintshontsha le design le sizothi yethu. Finally, iMoses Mapida Stadium was built. Uhulumeni wakhipha imali engango 3.4 billion ukuthi kwakhiwe le stadium. But unfortunately, uSibusiso Nene akatholanga ngisho isenti. Ngokomthetho, uSibusiso Nene was supposed to sign a licensing agreement. I-agreement eshoyo ukuthi